special secret. Everybody wants to know how I get rid of my allergy bumps so fast, and this is what I've been using. So I said let me just share it to the public, you know, because I offer this service. There is not all of my facial recipe I will put online, but I said this is too good and you guys are so good. In my face for 15 minutes. After I finish steam my face, I will apply the treatment on my face. If you have oily skin, you can add apple cider vinegar. If you have dry skin, add some coconut oil. If you have combination skin, just work with the honey and the pumpkin. So I'm opening up my pores. So when I put the treatment, it goes down into my pores and nourish my skin, take away all those dead cells, take away the sunburns. It also peel my skin. This is a natural way of peeling your skin, guys, by getting all the sunburns, all the dead skin, and give you a new brand skin. If you want to do this treatment, do it every week for a month and you will see amazing results. So this is my third treatment. I've done the two off camera because my face had breakouts for the whole of Christmas because of the sweets and a lot of things that I eat wasn't good for me. So now I'm going to go ahead and start treating my face for the rest of the month so it can come back to its normal. Right, so after applying the pumpkin, Irish potato and honey on my, so I'm cleaning off. So I'm extracting the juice from the Irish potato by squeezing it into this container. Look there, this is after it's on my face. This is what happened. It's very tight now and I can hardly speak. So what I'm going to do is move it. As you can see here, it's peeling off, so all the dead skin, sunburns, everything is gonna come off my face. So basically I'm gonna leave it to start dry. So I'm just showing you this side to let you know this is what it looks like, and it's very tight, so it's tightening up my wrinkles.